In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of Google Calendar events. Whether you're looking to organize your schedule more visually or just want to add a bit of personal style, changing event colors can be a really helpful tool. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process. First, let's understand that in Google Calendar, you have the option to modify the default color for an entire calendar or assign specific colors to individual events. This flexibility can help you quickly identify different types of events at a glance. To start, head over to your Google Calendar by opening your preferred internet browser and navigating to Google Calendar. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where you can find all the calendars you've created or that have been shared with you. Next, hover your cursor over the calendar you wish to customize. You'll notice three vertical dots appear next to the calendar's name. This is known as the More Options menu, which allows you to further personalize each calendar. Go ahead and click on these three dots. A small drop-down menu will appear, displaying a variety of preset colors you can choose for your calendar. However, if you're feeling adventurous or want a specific shade, look for the plus sign, which allows you to select a custom color. This feature is perfect for those who have a specific color scheme in mind. Once you've decided on a new color, simply select it, and then ensure you click Save to confirm your changes. Now, what if you want to change the color of just one specific event, rather than an entire calendar? Don't worry, that's just as simple. Find the event on your calendar that you'd like to update and right-click on it. This action will bring up a small window or menu with various event details and options, one of which will be to change the event color. You'll see the same range of colors as before, and you can select any of these to personalize your event. Once you've chosen the perfect hue, your individual event will now stand out from the others. It's a quick and easy way to customize your schedule even further. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring more color and organization into your Google Calendar experience. I hope this guide helps you feel more in control of your daily tasks and adds a bit of joy to your digital planning. Remember, a well-organized calendar is key to staying on top of your commitments. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.